City Series cigars and Citrus 7s, black cement 3s, 4s, the hairs and bread 11s. No doubt that I'll be wearing some fire at any sighting. With these Doran Becker 5s, you can see me in any lighting. It's exciting, I'll be flexing to the coldest degree.
What's up, everybody? Sneakerhead M Checks. I just got these Pine Green Jordan 3s scheduled to release Saturday, October 30th. So as usual, we're going to take a close detailed look at the shoe from all angles. After that, I'll share my opinion on the shoe, and then we'll get into release, some reselling predictions, and all that stuff. So let's get right to it. Got the suede here on the upper. So let me know in the comments, how do you feel about the suede? Do you like it? Would you have preferred leather? Let me know. Now the tongue on these is also suede, the gray part. And then you see they have the gold stitching around the Jumpman, which reminds me a lot of that St. Patrick's Boston Celtics jersey that they had when Rondo and Ray Allen and KG and Pearson them was there. I don't think that was intentional, but definitely reminds me of it. And that would be a great fit. Get one of them jerseys with these. It'd be crazy. Here's the side. See, I don't really know how to feel about this suede because I do like it. Looks nice. It's nice and clean. Quality looks good. But the only thing is, I still feel like I would have liked these better with the leather on them. But like I said, it's cool. And I appreciate them putting the convenient suede, as I like to call it. It's not really the real name. That's just what I like to call it. I say it's convenient because it doesn't get ashy nearly as easy as like the thicker suede. Some of them shoes, where they put the thicker suede on it, the shoe already looks ashy. It's like before you even wear it. As soon as you open the box, they already look like somebody wore them. Whereas these doesn't really look like that. Even when I have the bright light on them, I turn my ring light all the way up, they still don't really look ashy. Other side. Green paint on this midsole looks beautiful. And isn't it a shame? It looks all nice right now, and we all know years down the line this whole midsole is going to have that nasty paint cracking look to it. So, yeah. That's why you got to enjoy them now before that happens. And that is the other side. Here we are from the back. Got the gray Jumpman over here on the heel tab. Here's the inside. You got the gray sock liner, green on the back of the tongue, and then green on the insoles with the white Jumpman logo. So the sole on these is the same sole that they have on the black cement 3s or the racer blue 3s, just in green. If you paid attention to the box pattern on a lot of the recent Jordan 3s, you probably could have guessed that this box is going to look just like this. If you look at other pairs like the Racer Blues or the Court Purples, they're all pretty much following the same pattern where they have the elephant print in the front, and then they'll have, like, you know, the colors that match the shoes over here on the other side. Here's the box label. Retail for men's size is going to be $190 USD. Here's a quick all-around view of the shoe. Alright, now let's talk about them. If anybody's looking for a matching shirt, hoodie, pair of joggers, or anything like that to go with their kicks, check out intotheam.com. They got a lot of fire graphic tees and other clothes like this one that I got on right now, matches with the threes. So check them out after you finish watching this, and if you decide to cop anything, make sure you use my discount code MCHECK so you can receive 10% off your entire order. But back to these threes. These are cool. I like them. Good choice of colorway. Like I said earlier, I think I would have liked these a little bit better if the upper was leather instead, but the switch up to the suede was still cool. I'm a huge fan of the black cement 3, so like it kind of just like the black suede with the elephant print just kind of, you know, it almost doesn't look right to me. I know they had that sample pair one time where they actually did black cement in a suede colorway, and you know, I mean, it was cool, but I mean, personally, I probably wouldn't have copped it. I probably would have just left them alone and stuck to my leather pair, but on these, since it's not the black cements, I can kind of, you know, accept it a little bit more. Still a cool looking shoe. The suede on it is nice. It's pretty good quality and all that, so it's valid. And I haven't decided for sure yet, but I'll probably end up keeping these for myself. What I might do is I may sell them now just because the price on them is still pretty high. And then once they release, I'll get them for retail or closer to retail than what they're going for now. I'm expecting these to sell for around like $240-ish in men's sizes, and maybe like $10 or $20 over retail for grade school. Not a shoe that I would look to resell. You'll be able to make a little profit reselling men pairs, but nothing crazy. Pretty much all Jordans go up in value, so I'm sure these wouldn't be a bad hold. I just don't know how long they'll take to get to that peak price. It could take a couple of years, and who's to say that it's even worth the wait? You know, so I wouldn't even do it. You could look at some pairs that's been out for like 3-4 years already, and yeah, they've gone up in value, but the amount that they've gone up in the time that they've been out is not worth it. And I'm not saying these are definitely going to be one of those pairs, but they could be. So as far as reselling, I wouldn't even bother. For those of you who do plan on copying these, I wish you the best of luck in getting them in your size for retail. If this video was helpful or informative at all, I'd really appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up. Also, if you're interested in more early reviews and other sneaker related content, do us both a favor and subscribe to my channel. Just make sure you tap that little bell icon next to the subscribe button and turn all my video notifications on. That way when I drop a video, you don't miss out on anything. Thank you all for watching. Everybody, please stay safe and healthy out there, and I'll see you next time.